Alright, be honest, have you ever opened the Microsoft Store expecting to update all your apps, but it only shows like 3 of them? Maybe Paint and Calculator? Like, thanks, I really needed a Paint update in 2025. Well, don't worry. I've got a fix, and it's actually awesome. See this? This is the Microsoft Store pretending like it's doing its job. But here's the thing, it only updates apps that were installed through the store itself. If you downloaded apps manually like a normal person, yeah, the store doesn't care. It's like that one friend who only helps when you're already halfway done moving. Here, enter the superhero UniGetUI. Free, open source, no ads, no drama. This thing updates apps the store forgot exist. Like seriously, it's like having an IT guy in your PC. Except this one doesn't ask you to restart 5 times. Go to GitHub and search for UniGetUI or just check the link in the description because I'm cool like that. You can download the installer or the portable version. Oh, and guess what? It's also available on the Microsoft Store. Run it. No weird pop-ups, no shady permissions. It just opens up and says, "Let me fix your life." When you open UniGetUI for the first time, it might ask you to update. Just go ahead and update it. And boom, now you can update your apps. I mean all the apps on your PC, not just the ones from the Microsoft Store. With UniGetUI, you can even check out all the apps you've installed. But our main goal here is to update all your apps, and UniGetUI makes that super easy. Just head over to the Software Updates section. Boom! It shows you every app that has an update available. You can select them all at once or pick them one by one. Each time, it'll ask for admin permission because, Windows loves drama. But once granted, it installs everything without a fuss. And the best part? You don't need to manually visit every app's website, download the installer, run it, and click next like 1,000 times. UniGetUI does all the heavy lifting. As for the Microsoft Store, yeah, let's not even go there. And that's it. UniGetUI just made your life easier. No more hunting down updates or relying on the Microsoft Store's mysterious mood swings. If this video helped, hit that like button like you're smashing the update all button. Subscribe for more tech tips that actually save your time, not waste it. Got questions or want me to cover something else? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Unless I'm updating apps with UniGetUI. Thanks for watching, and happy updating!